Hello everybody, I have something to show you. It's pretty cool, okay? I was contacted by my friend at Homecraftology and she asked me if I would like to get this and show you, and I was like, yes, yes please. All right, so this is Homecraftology, remember that, okay? Look, you guys. What do we have? Oh my goodness. Isn't that exciting? Yes. Super exciting, right? Diamond paintings that come flat in a box. Yes. All right. Okay. Before I get going, before I forget to do this, let me say welcome to a few new members on my channel. Thank you for becoming members. Let's go back a little ways. Thank you to Kelly Riddick, Shay Toner, Elizabeth Hansen, Andrea Sanchez, and Deborah Kaiser. Thank you for becoming members. Welcome. I hope you enjoy the extra goodies. Now, speaking of extra goodies, look, this is going to have extra goodies too, all right? Okay, here's all the information on the back. This is kind of poofed out a little bit, but there's some stuff trying to come out, I think. So, yeah, she sent me the picture and I was like, oh, yeah. Oh, wow. There's our toolkit. And here are our paintings that are all perfectly flat. Yes. All right. Wow. You know what? I love that companies are starting to do some things like this. And oh, we'll talk about those in a minute because those are nice. All right. Here's the toolkit. Look at that toolkit. Okay. We've seen this blue tray before, but not like this one, I don't think. Let's take it out of here so we can see everything. Look at this nice big Ziploc bag it all comes in, right? So you have a selection of pens with different multi-placers on each end and single placers on the other end. Pretty cool, right? Pretty nice. A bag of baggies. They're actually in a bag. The baggies are. A bunch of wax. Okay? And look at this tray. This is the blue tray that your pen will fit in here if you want to rest your pen in there. But it's the blue tray with a spout. I don't think the other blue trays had the spout. All right? That's pretty cool. I like it. So that's the toolkit. Nice little toolkit, right? Love it. All right. Okay, seriously, who does not love canvases that come in this condition? Let me tell you right off the bat. You'll be able to tell. Look at this. Look at this canvas, you guys. Look, it's like material. It's like cloth. It is super pliable. It is awesome. You guys, it's awesome. Wow. It's got serged edges to prevent the fraying. Scalloped, serged. This is an amazing canvas. All right, let's just show you this one first, since we have it right here. So we have 4. It's a pack of 4. Look at that. What a beautiful moon, right? This has 30 colors. This canvas has 30 colors. It has DMC codes, all right? Right here. It says it's a 30 by 40. I brought my tape measure. We'll measure one because we know that they'll all be the same. My guess is it's probably 24 or 25. Let's see. Almost 25. So this should be almost 35, right? Exactly. Okay, just a little tick short. But look at, oh my gosh, I love this canvas. It is so nice. It's so soft and pliable. Okay, we have a legend over here. We do not have one over here, but you know, it's a small canvas. All right, it's not, you know, not the end of the world there. Here's our legend. Here's our symbols. Our key. All right, come on, you need to focus better than that. I know you can do a better job. Come on. There we go. I knew it could do better. Just have to hit another button. All right, pretty nice, right? Mostly capital letters with some symbols in there. I guess it's a mix of those, but 30 colors on that. Now, is it sticky? It's got good stick. Let's look at the drill field up close. All right, in the dark colors mainly. Now, do you have any trouble with those? I see S's, M's, arrows, T, R, K. I think it looks perfectly clear, even in the dark. Look, even where we have S's and X's there. And then we have whatever that symbol is. So yeah, very clear. Very, very, very clear. All right. Now, my guess is that these are going to be numbered. So if we have a number up here at the top, this is 3087707. 3087707. And there it is. Here's our drills for that one. And it comes with an inventory sheet. Each one of them comes with their own inventory sheet. That's awesome. Wow. I'm telling you, I was like, okay, this will be amazing. People will love this. They will love this. I hope you're doing more. I believe she said yes. So it'll be some time probably, but hopefully they'll start doing some others. Look, comes wrapped in an inventory sheet. So if the legend wasn't enough, look, you've got a nice big inventory sheet there, you guys. You could take this, you could copy it, you could make, oh, interesting though, there's no symbols on here at all. There are no symbols, just colors. Huh. Well, wonder if they're all like that. I think they might be. There aren't any symbols. Wow. Okay, that's interesting. We'll ask her about that. Anyhow, we have our quantity and we have the DMC codes, but no symbols. Okay, let's look at the drills. They come packaged like this. Number 1, number 2. Oh, the numbers are on the bags even. Oh, and it's square. You guys, they're squares. Are they all? They're all squares. Okay, I guess they did look square on the canvas, but sometimes that doesn't matter. But these are all square drill. Okay, wow. Okay, so that's 154. That burgundy kind of purple. Square drill. That's got some whites in it. 211. 310. 311. 550. Squares. We'll look at them closer in a second. Pretty, pretty colors, right? I didn't know it was square. Interesting. 603, 605. Ooh, that's a beautiful purple right there. Peach. Remember, there are 30 colors, so we got a ways to go yet. Dark blue, navy blue. That's pretty. So is that one. There's that. Let's keep going. We'll start at the back here. 30. More purples. Lots of purples. Yellowy cream. Blue. Another blue. All right, so let's flip one over and let's look at it from the back. Okay, we have this diamond crossing kind of packaging. Look at them. What do we see? And we'd have to do one to, you know, really, really see the quality of these drills. But, man, if they don't look good, though. They really do. They really look pretty nice. Here, we can spread these out a little bit. Let's see. I'm not seeing tabs. I'm not seeing, like, weirdly shaped. There might be a little tiny dimple on a couple, but it's very minimal. Wow, they look really good, you guys. They really, really do. Huh. Awesome. This is cool. All right, so square lovers, these are all going to be squares on a nice flat cloth-like canvas. There's the first one. All right, next one. Next one. Come on. They were all trying to come at the same time. Wow, look at that one. Look at that. That one's going to be a lot of oranges and yellows. How pretty, though. How pretty. I think they all have the sun, the moon. Maybe they're all moon. I don't know. Homecraftology at the top. This one has 36 colors. Whoa. That one had 30. This one has 36. Wow. Okay, 36. I can pick out our picture right here. 36 colors. All right, I might not go through all of them, but let's just take them out and give you a... Pat's got a ton of colors. I will email her and ask her about the whole inventory sheet with just the colored squares and no symbols. I'll ask her. Are they supposed to have symbols? Okay, here's the color palette. Like I said, we're not going to go through every color. Blues, oranges. Oh, look at that green right there. See that green? Red, more purple. We'll look through another pack maybe at the end, but you know, it'll take us forever if we look through. Look at that bright yellow. Ooh, and that blue. Look at those. Wow. These are some fantastic colors, right? Look at that green. And DMC codes are right on the bags. $38.19. More bright, bright yellows and bright orange. Wow, you guys. These are super nice, right? Super, super nice. Yes. All right. That's the second one. So we have one vertical, one horizontal, right? There's one I'm going to save to the end. That one. Let's save that one to the end because I think it's going to be my favorite. Oh, this. Oh, my gosh. That does not look like the picture on the inventory sheet. I'll show you what I mean in a second. Now this one, with all of this dark background, let's look up close. This one only has 18 colors. But let's see. We have K, R, plus signs, lots of plus signs, but then there's some B's and A's. I think we can tell all of those symbols apart pretty clearly. Yeah, I think they are super clear and easy to read. I love it. Okay, love this pink reflection in the water. That's gorgeous. Okay, it did not look like that. I saw the inventory sheet. The inventory sheet made it look very brown, right? Like just cream colors in the water, but this is very pink. Whoa, I like the pink. All right, let's look at these colors because these threw me off. See how pink it really is. We got a, nope, not a loose bag. Just, okay, well, it is, look. Okay, let's do this. All right, blues, dark blues, a lot of gray and dark blue. But then look at, here are our pinks. See them? There are 3 pinks here. This pink, and this rosy pink. So there is a lot of pink in it. Then look at, we have purples. There's 2 purples, more pinks, more purples. So it is very pink and purple. I love that about it. I thought it was going to be more cream color like the inventory sheet showed, but I like it that way. What do you think? All right, last one. I saved this one to the end because I think this one's going to be my favorite. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe that one's my favorite now. I don't know. This one's just unique. It's kind of cool. It's a hand holding up the earth. The earth is, you know, just kind of an image. It's not, you know, clearly not going to be very detailed. It's just giving you a sense of water and land. There are 30 colors in this one. Again, the symbols are just, even though these are very dark, you can distinguish this symbol from the J's, from the D's. This has a dark, this just looks like a dark, I mean, I can't even really tell what the symbol is without a light pad, but once you figure out what that symbol is, you can just keep drilling away because that's multi-placing and it's all through here. But then when they come to a different symbol, it's easy to tell what it is. Up at the top is just B's, like up here is just B. Nothing else to confuse it with, except for this one. There's some specks. We get some specks. And you can tell that that's different. that you can tell those clearly stand out. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, right? All right. There's the picture. There's the thumbnail. I mean, the hand looks a little, I don't know. We'll have to actually finish it. I'm not certain about the fingers, but you know. 30 colors. So 2 of them have 30. That one has 36. Wow. And they are nice, nice canvases. I will tell you that much. And here are our colors. Let's do the colors, why not? Again, don't forget, they have the DMC codes right on the front. Green. Very earth tones here because, you know, we have the earth. Lots of blues. Got that whole blue background. Little tiny bit of yellow there. Peach. Yellow. Some greens. Look at that purple. Little bit of purple. Light purple. Very pretty. That's a green. Dark green. All right. 336 is a navy. Couple of purples. Pretty mint green. And then 154, which is like that burgundy purple color. 5200 white. Love this color right here. This is beautiful. It looks a little different on camera than it really is. It's more of a, I don't know, hard to explain, peacock blue color. Light blue. There's 3756, a couple more blues. And these drills, you guys, they just look really, really, really nice. Look at them. I mean, you look and you see what you find. I'm not finding any junk or knobbly bits, concaves. I just don't see anything wrong with these drills right now. They all look like they're the same size. They look excellent. Man, I really should do one of these right away. All right. So there you have it, you guys. This is Homecraftology. They are an excellent canvas. It's hard to tell you just how nice this canvas is, how soft it is, and how, I mean, look, you can just bend it. It's so just cloth-like and almost like a silky feel on the back. Very smooth. There's a little sheen to it and everything. Poured glue. They're awesome. You guys have loved the canvases. And look, come in a box, perfectly flat, ready to go. So that's what we got, you guys, from Homecraftology. Thank you for sending this to me and letting me show it to everybody. And I hope, I'm crossing my fingers that they come out with more, right? So more sets would be awesome because these are great. I will link it below, yes. And hopefully they have it in stock. Go grab one, right? If you like anything to do with the earth, the moon, and all this kind of stuff, they're very nice. Very, very nice. All right. I'm going to let you go now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. All that stuff that you do, the comments, keep it all coming. I love it all. This is so much fun. I love what I do, you guys. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Check them out. Check them out. Bye.